Hi guys, this is part 4 video of custom management command in Django. In the previous videos, we have already covered how to create our custom management command, how to add arguments to that command, and how to import the files and populate our database also. So if you want to watch those videos, make sure you go and watch it. And if you all have any special request for video, make sure you comment them down below and I will create videos on those topics. So now let's jump into the code. Let me stop the server first. Clear, minimize this, and we are going to go to demo, that is our app. Under management and under commands, we are going to create a file called as export cars. So export cars, because that is what our model's name is, so that's why I'm saying export cars. And we have to import three things over here. So first will be import CSV, of course, because we are going to create a CSV file. Then from django.core.management.base import base command. This time our spelling is correct. And then import our car. So that will come from it should come from demo.models. Import our car model. And we'll start by creating our class called as command. So command, and it should inherit base command. That is what we have done. We'll give it a help text, export cars CSV, and then we'll have a handler. So def handle, this will take in self and parser. In this one, we are going to open a CSV file and then write data from the model to that CSV file. So it should be with open, let's say cars.csv, that is what we are going to call it as. Actually, I am sorry, the handle method should take self and then arguments and then keyword arguments. Okay, so that is fixed. And over here, after opening the file, we have to give it a read mode, or like type of mode we want to open the file in. So I'm going to say write. Okay, and we'll call it as csv underscore file. And then over here we are going to open CSV writer, and I will assign it to something called as writer variable. I'll call it as csv.writer, and this will open the above file, that is this file, in CSV writer mode. And then we are going to do is writer.write row, that is what first we'll write, and we'll write the headers first, like ID, then manufacturer, and then model name. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do over here. I'll say it as ID, that will be our first column. Yes, it is column. Then it will be manufacturer, I'll say model name. Once we have our first row written, let's iterate over all the cars. So it will be for car in car.objects.all, and this is how we access the data, all the data from the database. And if you don't know how to access data and like how to go about database operations in Django, make sure you watch my ORM series. I will link it in the I button. I have covered everything for a beginner to advanced level. So make sure go and watch that as well. Now we are going to do this, and we'll do writer.write row, and I'm going to open it like this. I'll say car.id, car.manufacturer, and then car.model name. So that's it. This is it. Okay. So quickly let's revise what we have done. We have done these three imports. Then we have created our command class which inherits base class. We have provided this help text, and then we have created our handler method which opens up a CSV file in write mode as CSV file. Then we give it to csv.writer. Then we write our first row, that is like header, as ID, manufacturer, model name. And then we iterate over all the cars over here, and we write all the data into our CSV file, and we save this file. And let me close all this, and if you see, there is nothing, no file created over here. And let me do python manage.py, and we are going to say exp, and I'm going to press tab, and that works. And I'm going to press enter, and it has done it. Let me find that file where it got here. So it is at this level, and if you see, this is what it has generated: ID, manufacturer, and model name. That is our first row it has written. Then we have it has exported these data. And that is how we were successfully able to export our data from models to CSV file using custom management command in Django. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out something new and cool to learn. See you in the next one. Bye bye.